So Samsung has been working hard on the next Galaxy. We have some more information regarding upcoming Galaxy S24 Ultra, and the first news is that Samsung is going to introduce some amazing AI features to Galaxy S24 series. According to Exynos, the use of AI with Galaxy S24 and One UI 6.1 will be definitely a big leap, and Samsung may call this an AI phone. Further, once again, the design is going to be around the same like last year's Galaxy S23 Ultra, but with a flat display and a titanium frame. This new titanium frame will be only limited to Galaxy S24 Ultra, while regular Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus will have an aluminum frame. This will be the first time Samsung is going to use a flat display since Galaxy S7 series. Also, Galaxy S24 will be a little shorter, a bit wider and thinner than Galaxy S23 series. I think S23 Ultra had the best design and dimensions. Don't know if making Galaxy S24 Ultra wider and shorter would be a good decision or not. Samsung is also working on a 50 megapixel telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom. I really hope this isn't a downgrade over 10x telephoto camera of Galaxy S23 Ultra. Samsung is once again trying to copy Apple's 5x telephoto camera, but 10x camera of Galaxy S23 Ultra easily wins when zooming in. Also, with this new 5x camera, S24 Ultra can now switch between all cameras while recording at 4K 60fps. This isn't the case right now with Galaxy S23 Ultra, while iPhone can do that. One bad news for Galaxy fans is that Samsung is going to introduce Exynos once again with regular Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus. Exynos 2400 is said to have been optimized a lot by Samsung, but we all know that at the end Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 will be a superior processor for Galaxy as compared to Exynos. Galaxy S24 Ultra with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 will bring some amazing performance gains. It will be around 34% faster than Galaxy S23 Ultra. For example, on Geekbench, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 is expected to have a single core score above 2000 and multi-core score is around 7000. This will put Galaxy S24 Ultra up against the latest iPhone 15 Pro. In the end, Samsung is going to unveil the Galaxy S24 series about a week earlier in Jan 2024. So you can get this phone around Feb of 2024. I'm a bit disappointed to see the comeback of Exynos 2400 for regular Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus. But thankfully, this isn't the case with Galaxy S24 Ultra, which is going to use Snapdragon across every region. So that was all about upcoming Galaxy S24 series. Make sure to subscribe as I'll be posting more updates and news as soon as they are available. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.